Hi, I'm your host Bharat Bhushan. Today we are going to discuss about detailed PTE test overview. In my last video, I shared detail about PTE test overview, just not detail actually. It just was a PTE test overview. But today I'm going to share with you the detailed PTE test overview. So before going to this video further, I would like to request you please like and subscribe my channel for more PT videos. Thank you. Alright, now we have three sections for this PT exam. The first section is speaking and writing, and it has basically six parts. First part is basically related to personal introduction, where you will be just reading the instructions. You have 30 seconds to give introduction, recorded introduction about yourself. This part is not assessed but is sent to institutions you choose along with your score report, and will take you 1 minute only. And part 2 is very important part for this entire section, where you have a read aloud section. A text appears on your screen, you have to read aloud the text. Okay, and this next is a repeat sentence. After listening to a sentence, you have to repeat the sentence as it is as much as possible. Then describe image. An image appears on your screen, describe the image in detail. Retell lecture. After listening to or watching a video of a lecture, retell the lecture in your own words only. And then finally answer short questions. After listening to a questions, answer with a single word or a few words as per the question requirement. So this section is for 30 to 35 minutes, and then next is part 3 and 4, which have summarize of written text. After reading a passage, write a one sentence summary of text. The passage of between 5 and 75 words only. Be careful with this, and it will be for 20 minutes. Part 5, summarize written text or write essay. Enter a summarize written text task or a write essay task, depending on the combination of tasks in your test. It will be for 10 or 20 minutes. And then finally part 6 of speaking and writing section, that is a write essay. A write essay of 200 to 300 words on a given topic, and it will be again for 20 minutes only. So these are the details related to speaking and writing. Then next we have reading section, and this reading section basically having 5 parts. Okay, so first is a multiple choice, choose single answer. In this section basically you have to after reading a text, answer a multiple choice question on the content or tone of the text by selecting one response only. The next is multiple choice, choose multiple answer. After reading a text, answer a multiple choice question on the content or tone of the text by selecting more than answers one response. And then reorder paragraph, very important section. Several text boxes appears on screen in random order, but the text boxes in the correct order. You have to put the text boxes in the correct order. Then reading, fill in the blanks. A text appears on screen with several blanks. Drag words or phrases from the blue box to fill in the blanks. Reading and writing, fill in the blanks. Final question type, that is a text appears on screen with several blanks. Fill in the blanks by selecting words from several drop down list of a response option. And the entire this particular reading will be for 32 to 41 minutes depending on the questions. Now third is listening. So it has 2 parts majorly, and in part 1 you will have summarized spoken text, where you will have to after listening to a recording, write a summary of 50 to 70 words. Guys, you have to put focus on these words for this particular question type, and you will have 20 to 30 minutes of this. Now next part 2 is multiple choice. Choose multiple answers. After listening to a recording, answer a multiple choice question on the content or tone of the recording by selecting more than one response. Fill in the blanks. The transcription of a recording appears on screen with several blanks. While listening to a recording, type the missing words into the blanks, then highlight correct summary. After listening to a recording, select the paragraph that best summarize the recording. Then multiple choice, choose single answer. After listening to a recording, answer a multiple choice question on the content or tone of the recording by selecting one response. Selecting missing word. After listening to a recording, select the missing word or group of words that completes the recording and then highlight incorrect words. The transcription of a recording appears on screen. While listening to the recording, identify the words in the transcription that differ from what is said. And the final is right from dictation. After listening to a recording of a sentence, type the sentence. So entire these sections will have 23 to 28 minutes you have to for response. Finally guys, please share your feedback and subscribe my channel for more videos related to PTE. I'll be covering up the entire PTE exam with different videos because it's a very vast topic. It cannot be completed in one video, so I have to prepare many videos. So guys, please motivate me by sharing and liking and subscribing my channel. So thank you guys, have a nice day.